Hi everyone and welcome. So recently we have received this Pico W5 microcontroller development board from Electro. Now this Pico W5 microcontroller board is using the RP2040 chip. Okay, so that is the main controller which is similar to the Raspberry Pi Pico W. Now, the difference between Raspberry Pi Pico W and this Pico W5 is the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. So in this Pico W5 microcontroller, you will be having connectivity of 2.4 gigahertz of Wi-Fi as well as 5 gigahertz of Wi-Fi, and you can also have the Bluetooth 5.0 inside the Pico W5 microcontroller board. Now the chip is same, okay, RP2040, so there is no difference in that, but connectivity wise there is a huge difference between Pico W5 and Raspberry Pi Pico W. Okay, now in the same price band you will be having more option with the connectivity with this Pico W5 microcontroller. So here on the camera you can see I have this Pico W5 microcontroller with RP2040 chip. Okay, now in this video we will see getting started guide for this board. Okay, so we will put the firmware file inside this board, and then after we will go with the blink sketch, and in the future videos we will see how you can connect this board with the 5 gigahertz of Wi-Fi and so on. Okay, so if you want to download the firmware and everything regarding this board, then I have provided every link on our website. Okay, so here is the firmware link, here is the Thonny IDE download link for MicroPython programming, and here is the wiki page for this Pico W5 microcontroller. Now, if you want to download the firmware, then you can open this link in the new tab and you will be navigated to our GitHub repository, and you have everything related to Pico W5 RP2040 board in this folder: libraries, firmware, home assistant, MQTT demo, and example. Okay, now similar folder is available in my system, and here you can see the firmware folder, and here is the firmware. Now how to load the firmware in our Pico W5 microcontroller. So you have to press this boot button, and then you have to connect the second end of the cable to your system. Okay, I have connected. Now I am releasing the boot button, and here you can see we have the folder open here. Now what you have to do is you just have to copy this firmware and you have to paste it here. So once copy paste is done, okay, your Pico W5 folder will automatically close. Now your Pico W5 is ready with your firmware. Now you can open the Thonny MicroPython IDE, okay, and here you can see MicroPython Raspberry Pi Pico, or here you can see MicroPython RP2040 board. So I'm going to use this option, okay, and here you can see, okay, here you can see MicroPython version 1.23.0 in the Raspberry Pi Pico with RP2040. So this board is similar with Raspberry Pi 2040, okay, but the Wi-Fi connectivity and the Bluetooth connectivity chip is different than the Raspberry Pi Pico, okay, Pico W. So we have successfully loaded the firmware in our Pico W5 board. Now we want to run the blink sketch. Then how we can do that? Or we want to blink the LED. Okay, so here you can see closely we have the LED connected here. So I want to blink this LED using MicroPython programming. Then how I can do that? So for that we have already code available, okay, in the example folder. So here in the examples folder, here you can see blink.py. So you have to open this blink.py file. Okay, you can copy the entire content of the file. You can go to Thonny MicroPython IDE and you can paste that code here. Now you can open these two things parallelly and you can just run this script, and here you can see our LED is blinking. Okay, so we have successfully run the blink program in MicroPython for Pico W5 microcontroller. Okay, now if you want to see the PWM example, then also we can cover that example. So we will again go to the examples folder, and here is the PWM example. I'm going to copy this example, okay, and for this LED we are using pin number 25. So I'm again going to use the pin number 25 for this PWM example. So pin number 25, and then I can run it. Now here you can see. Okay, so LED is glowing. Okay, so just like a fade. Okay, so this is how you can run the PWM example using Thonny MicroPython IDE in the Pico W5 microcontroller board. Okay, so I hope this thing is clear that how you can getting start with the Pico W5 microcontroller board from Electro. Now let's meet in the future videos and we'll see that how you can connect your Pico W5 microcontroller board with the 5 GHz of Wi-Fi, 2.4 GHz of Wi-Fi, how you can create the access point and everything. So stay tuned for the future videos. Okay, till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.